Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3. Now, we may be getting close to the wave 3 being over, but when I say close, I mean close on the weekly and monthly. That could mean anywhere from like a week to maybe even 4, 5, 6, 8 weeks. And really, we are approaching a Fibonacci level, but I mean, it may actually end up going up to one of these higher Fib levels before we actually get to wave 4 and the wave 5. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the main one and the main wave 2. And then what we're looking at here is just subdivisions. 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is the 4, and maybe we are in the wave 5 right now. Wave 5 of wave 3, which means if it does end, which it could end at either one of these fib levels or even one of the higher ones, it will probably make a big wave 4 correction, probably about the same size in the time scale as the wave 2, and eventually go back up for that wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely still in an uptrend. Definitely still making that series of high, low, high, low, high, low. Definitely still trending up. News came out last night for the JPY. They had interest rate news, and they finally raised interest rates out of the negative for the first time in many, many years, which caused the JPY pairs to go up. Now, I don't really think it's over. I think it is going to take out these previous highs. It definitely looks like an ABC, which tells me that it's probably not going to stop at this area. It's probably actually going to go up to the 223 Fibonacci extension that I showed on the weekly and monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely an A, a B, and a big old wave C. I think it needs to take out the highs because that's what happens most of the time when you have the end of an ABC correction. So unless this thing actually goes down and breaks structure, which I kind of doubt that it's going to, I personally would be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, 1 hour time frame, one thing is for sure is I definitely wouldn't be going long now, and I'm actually hoping that it does go down. Once it starts a correction, that's when I'm going to throw my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm going to look for 1, 2, 3 waves down. I'm going to look for a Fibonacci bounce. If I see that, then I will definitely take it as another long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend until the higher time frames, especially like the very high time frames, weekly and monthly, especially daily, weekly, and monthly, tell me that this is not in an uptrend, which this, as of now, is in about a 4 year uptrend. Until that 4 year uptrend ends, I am definitely primarily looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is in the card linked up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.